Well, it looks like we might finally get a little rain. Monday, August 29th, 2022. Yes, I don't know, I get a little antsy even. I don't know. Lightning scares me a little more after getting zapped a little. So yeah, certainly rain there. We got some rain coming down through rain. Oh, there it is. Nice little shower. Nothing coming off the roof yet though. Oh wait, there it is. Just starting. Let's go here and look. Is it coming out? There's nothing coming out yet. Oh, there it is. Just started. Now, yeah, there we go. Need a little bit more rain. Oops, sorry. Need a little bit more rain to get that level to come up above the edge of the barrel and into that clear vinyl skirt on it. Oh yeah, there we go. Now we're going to get some rain. It sounds like he's running down the side of the shed over here though. Oh yeah, look at that. Got some rain there. Oh man, wind is running. Then I also noticed my weed eater sitting out here in the rain, so let me grab that. Now my socks are wet. Alright. Alright, there we go. All set. But, woo! Alright, let me shut the door. Got the air conditioning on in there. But yeah, check it out. Got the skirt filled to the top. The water's spraying out of the bottom of the, well, not out of the bottom, it's overflowing the top. So yeah, that should be filling everything. So I got a nice full column height or head of water, level of water pushing into the pipes. So that pipe right there is flowing down into my barrel, the tank, which you almost can see over there. Oh man, fantastic rain. As long as the wind doesn't blow and break my tops off, we'll be fine. That water will get nice and clear after it starts running for a minute, flowing out of there. But yeah, I'm a little more wary of the lightning nowadays. Wow, nice flow off of there, huh? That's the water I got to capture up there, nice and high. I got to get a big, tall tank that fills up there. Oh yeah, even up there. Wouldn't that be great up there? All this falling water is your energy right there. That stack of water that you could have up there, that's a lot of force into your pipe. You don't start a ram pump off of that. And yeah, that's a pretty good flow. If you had a water wheel with that amount of water going, that'd be a lot of horsepower right there. Wow. That's a pretty good little rain. I think I had my rain gauge empty. Oh yeah, looks like we got at least a ½ inch in there already. Wow, it's awesome rain. Gotta scoop some of those leaves out of the barrel. we get all this water up here dripping off of the leaking. I guess it's leaking out of the joints on that gutter, so I'm losing little bits and pieces, and then of course that gutter flows out. But some of that flows down that hose into the other gutter back over this way, so I need more capacity. I need more tank. I need to be I'm losing a lot of water right now. Oh yeah. I just figured out what I'm going to do next. I'm going to take this right here. I'm going to put a funnel up there with a pipe going down that goes under the shed and comes out over here. And then I'm going to have water coming out at 7 feet out there into a taller tank. And I'll be capturing all of this water, because that is like 99% wasted water. I've got a full barrel, and it's just overflowing that right now. So all that water out of there is wasted energy, unless I put it into a nice tall stack of water. Tall head. Alright, it's been raining for a little while. You can see how clear that water's getting on top of the... Gotta scoop those leaves out, but nice clear water, kind of circulating around in there in a circle, which is fine. Got a nice strong flow over into my other barrel. So it's going into my tank, overflowing the tank and filling my auxiliary barrel, or my extra barrel, or whatever you want to call it out there. I just don't know how long it takes to fill that barrel, because it's got a good amount of back pressure to push through to overflow the tank out there. But yeah, if it keeps raining like this, again, I need to get all this higher. I need a taller head of water pushing down into my system. Yeah, I really need to start working on that right there. That's a lot of water, and it's really high up. And it needs bigger than a 1-inch pipe. But yeah, if it rained like this every week, or, you know, even a couple times a month, if you had a nice shower like this, it's not bad. But this is kind of, you know, it's end of August. It's the only reason. 70% chance of rain today. It's been 50 or 60 for the last week or two, but we haven't hardly, you know, got a couple little sprinkles here and there. This is the first really good rain we've had in probably over a week. Yeah, I love the rain. I just don't want to be out in it anymore since I almost got hit by lightning. It makes you think. I haven't had a lot of mosquitoes lately. I don't know. I mean, I got fish in all my barrels, most of them. I'm pretty sure there's no mosquitoes in that barrel. They're pretty much washed out. And then every other barrel and tank I have is sealed, so they can't really get too many mosquitoes in there. Frogs get in, but the mosquitoes don't. Oh, and yeah, the windows were down in my truck, so that's... But it doesn't rain if I don't have my windows down, so I don't really care. It'll dry out. Not like it hasn't been wet in there before. Yeah, so it's been pretty quiet for the lightning and everything here, although I've been thinking about it. Ooh, there it is. And I was just in the bathroom looking out the window at the tank, and big old boom. Wasn't too close by, maybe a mile, within a mile or so. And wow, I see some new points coming up out there, and see that new shoot coming up there? That little spiker right there? Whoa, there's another one. Yeah, I'm telling you. This is a very lightning prone area, and I know it, and damn, I should probably not have that aluminum pole leaning up against that tree either. That's probably not good. Whoa, that's not. A lot of this is cloud to cloud, but pretty powerful stuff. Very loud. You can see a few chips coming up out there. And this rain is just going to make those things rocket too. Those things are going to shoot up like another 10 foot here in the next week or so, if the wind doesn't get them. Whoa. Oh man, it's getting a little bit closer. I was thinking about that aluminum pole out there today. I need to knock that. I don't want to do it right now. Don't worry, I'm not going out there. And my transformer's right there too. And ooh, there's one. Ooh, there's another one. See, those are a little bit of way. Those are a little farther down the. Wow, it's pretty good little rain. I'm telling you, man. It's like an inch. We've got an inch already. This is phenomenal. Outstanding. When they can keep the skirt filled up there for over a half hour, that's a lot of that's a lot of nice, clear, clean water, actually. After that's been flowing a while, that's actually as pure as RO water. Well, you might want to take some of the leaves out of it, but you know what I mean. It's like spring water, basically. Oh, jeez, that was right there. All right, I saw that one. I saw that one. That was right there. It was a couple miles away because it took a second or two to get here, but and again, my neighbor's house, not this one, the next house over got hit. August 5th or 6th, whatever it was. Yeah, it makes you rethink that aluminum gutter thing, you know. That aluminum soffit, aluminum gutter, all that stuff's connected to the ground. You got aluminum vent ridge in your roof, which goes really close to the line for your air conditioner sometimes, or some kind of, yeah, you got any electrical conduit going up there? That's what hit my neighbor's house. So kind of, yeah, something you might need to think about. Oh, there it goes. I think I got most of the leaves washed out of there. If I had some goldfish in there, well, you'd have to worry about fish in there. They'd fall onto the top. They'd get up there and They go crazy and get washed out of the barrel in heavy rain. They love it. They get up there and jump around and fall out sometimes. Well, I think that's enough up-close lightning for me for today. I'm going to go inside and try not to get hit by lightning. Say it to my... Oh, that was the other thing. I don't know. I think I might have mentioned it again. I talked to my neighbor about he got hit by lightning. Of course, took out his air conditioner and everything. And he told me the second time I talked to him, he maybe told me the first time, I forgot. But he said when he was sitting there, the lightning bolt came down through and took out the thermostat and everything, went through all the wiring and whatever. But it blew a chunk of plaster off of the ceiling and it hit him in the head. So he actually got hit by material that was blasted loose from the lightning bolt. I mean, I was like, what? Yeah, wow. I mean, I felt the shock, and then the next day he got drywall blasted into his head from a lightning bolt hitting his air conditioner. That's pretty amazing stuff. Lightning capital of the world, actually. Florida is the lightning capital of the world. And they said, I think they said this year was a record or something for lightning. I'm not sure about that. I'll have to look that up. August 29th, 2022. Check it out. Google it. But, I don't know. I don't think we've seen that much lightning here. I think 2006 was a really hot year. I have one of the best lightning videos in the whole world, probably. All genuine lightning captured, not for profit, whatever. Lightning Love Affair, go check it out. Maybe I'll find a link for it, who knows. It's on Vivo. YouTube bans anything good, they would, they probably have 1 billion views by now, but yeah, Lightning Love Affair, 2006, maybe 2007, I don't know. There was a couple versions of it. It's into editing for a while. Software was hard back then. Hey, anybody know where I can get an updated version of Adobe Premiere Pro? Just wondering. Do they even make that anymore? I don't know. Wow. It's been raining for like a half hour. I can't believe it. 17-minute video. Too long. But yeah, I'm sure that my extra barrel out there, oh, more lightning, more thunder. My dogs are hating it. Ooh. Oh man, that was, I knew. Yeah, I'm going inside. Bye.